everyone's reviewing this paper planes set that I got. It comes with 50 piece color papers, 20 solid colors, and then 30 plain like designs. This is really cool. So it's got different designs that you can make airplanes, and then the solid colors. They're nice and thick, and then it comes with how to make them. So it's got a whole bunch of new cool different types of paper for airplanes. So not just your regular airplane, you can follow the instructions and make different ones. Like we made that one, we made this like box airplane. This is kind of like a torpedo one. I don't even know, looks like a jet or something, right? Yeah. Pretty cool. We built like a couple of them, and then we use them outside. We can use them inside too, and they all fly different. It's pretty fun, right? Lots of fun doing it. So it's a great gift to give somebody, or to buy for your kids, to keep them busy, even like on a rainy day and stuff. This is a fun activity to do with your kids and have fun with the family together. So great product. Highly, highly recommend it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.